have a content block in MS Office, and this content has a strange formatting, and also I see a lot of line spaces between the text. If I want to go back to the default styling for the whole sheet, what I have to do is select all the text I want to apply my default styling to. Then I press Ctrl, Shift, and the alphabet N. And what this does is that it turns the selected text back into the default styling for Microsoft Word. And this is very useful when you copy and paste text from the websites or other sources. You just select the whole text, press Ctrl, Shift, and N, and you will get your text sent to the default style type. To toggle cases in Word, you can either go into the Home tab, and you see within the font section there's a Change Case button, and you can now change your case to upper, lowercase, or capitalize each word, or you can even toggle case. There's another way to do this. Let me change everything to lowercase. If I select this text and I press Shift F3, it will begin toggling the case. Shift F3 again to toggle it to capitalize. Shift F3 again, I'll go to lowercase. Shift F3, it will capitalize each word. So this is how to toggle through cases using the Shift F3 key.